upstairs is empty. Today we are replacing a radiator on a 2023 Freightliner Cascadia. Let us show you what we need to do in order to replace that stuff that is severely leaking as of right now. Here's the new replacement. I guess first we need to deal with that coolant tank. Am I correct?
Yep.
Alright, let's do that first. And honestly, there is a lot of stuff to take off to replace the radiator. Oof. Let us go through it. Taking off all the clamps, all the connections.
Дай мені кусочки.
Everything needs to
В принципі.
be taken off.
Дай кусочки.
Okay. There you go. Okay, like I said, all hoses, all sensors, everything need to be disconnected, taken off in order to replace that radiator. Coolant tank is off. Yeah, not so easy. How did you think it didn't work? Yep. Keep taking off all the hoses.
Ах ти сука.
Yeah, what can I say? Not comfortable job.
Ти давай там не пиздякай, а давай мені, блядь,
At all.
головку з цим.
Not comfortable at all. What do you want?
Головку на 13.
13
Так.
millimeters.
Давай, блядь, нема кого не був тут сидів.
Yep, this is how it works. In the middle of the process. So, radiator for AC. Keep working to take off that main radiator. Taking off the fan.
Пусти. На, став його збоку. Все, тепер
Done
нам
with
нічого
this
не
guy.
буде мішати.
Radiator is right here. It's really halfway right now. Changing this one for the new. Working to take off that intercooler out of main radiator right now. So, transmission cooler or radiator is out. Intercooler is next. Okay, taking off all the brackets, everything from the old one, so we can put it to the new. New one is here. Okay, put everything back, all the brackets, all the things on top. put it all together. Oops, no worries, it's empty. So working to put everything on the new one, all the brackets, all the additional radiators, intercooler and transmission radiator. Keep working. Right, so looks like was the problem with the old one somewhere on top. So all the coolant was going down. You can see all the stuff right there. All right, don't see you again. Keep working. Replacement radiator is right here. Keep putting everything back. The old one is right there. Putting everything back. Okay, so this stuff is for AC. You have to be extremely careful not to break it, because everything is gonna blow up and cover it with the green stuff. So whatever you do, just be careful with that stuff, no matter what. Okay, new radiator is in. Everything put it back. The only thing left is to put coolant. Should be all done. It was freaking a bit of job, but that's our job, so we're pretty happy to finish with that stuff. All done for today.